All right, hello guys, welcome back to this channel. This is the guy Kumala speaking. I want to address something very quickly. A lot of people have been having issues that they carry out a registration. That means the Corporate Affairs Commission registration, CAC, either for business name or for company. And at the end of the day, the registration is not showing up on other third-party platforms. What I mean by third-party platform is that, for instance, you register a business name for a POS person. Let's say I do business registration. I register a business for a POS person, and the person wants to use the registration for POS registration. I don't know if you get what I'm trying to say. Maybe they want you to register for MoneyPoint, for PalmPay, or whatever other platform that offers services of point of sale. They want to register with them, and those people are supposed to have a database of the registration done by the CAC. And when they check on their own end, they don't see the registration there. Now, what happens, or what should happen, or what should you do? Now, here's the thing. Since the launch of the AI portal, right, don't forget that the registration has been fast, though at a point in time we had some issues. But the intent of creating the AI portal is to make sure that registration is seamless as much as possible. And the truth is that right now, registration is seamless as much as possible. Under 1 hour to 2 hours, you can get your registration done. Now, this speed has actually affected the deliverability of your details on the search portal. And sometimes you will notice that even after you have carried out a registration of a business and it has been approved, and you have certificate and status report to back that up, you will notice that you still cannot find the name on this third-party website. And this is because, don't forget, before now, when registration is done and it takes over 2-3 weeks, sometimes 3 days, 4 days, even more, to carry out the registration, the platform has a lot of time for all the data to be synced at a particular point in time. But right now, that is not the case. The syncing, I believe, is not automatic, or it is done manually, probably. We don't know the details to that. But the point I'm trying to make is that when you find out that your registration is not showing up on the third-party website, that doesn't mean your registration is fake. The only way you can determine if your registration is fake or not is when you have your certificate. You are going to see on the certificate, you see a barcode on the certificate. Scan the barcode. If the barcode doesn't lead you anywhere, then your registration is fake. And even if the barcode leads you nowhere, the point I'm trying to make is that right now there is no ultimate verification process for a genuine or not genuine CAC registration. The reason being that the platforms takes time to load up details from the CAC database into other databases that are connected to the Corporate Affairs Commission. So that I've registered a business for you as a customer, and you are maybe trying to use it for a particular thing and you're not seeing it there, does not mean I've done a fake registration for you. I believe you understand what I'm trying to say. So it doesn't mean that what registration has been done is fake. And I've seen an instance where someone has actually done the registration, and registration is actually is already verified on the search portal. That is, when you search, you will see the name on the search portal. But when the name is used on the third party website or whatever platform is being necessarily used for or is not showing up there. So that becomes an issue, and that means to the client that this person has done a fake registration for me. Now, once you can search for a name on the CAC portal and you can see it on the search.cac.gov.ng, it will load you up back to the normal website. You would be able to see that that registration is genuine. Once the name shows up there fully, then it is genuine. Another way you can verify is that if you have access to the Post Incorporation portal, you can also check for the name listed there if it is genuine or not. But ultimately, the verification is done on the certificate. You have a barcode there where you can scan, and it will lead you to where you can, verify and see the details of registration, if registration has actually been done with the Corporate Affairs Commission or not. The reason why I'm making this video is to douse the panic that most people are having about the registration being fake or being original, or not being legitimate or being illegitimate, whatever the case is. The point is that most registrations done right now are having this kind of issues. They are not showing up on other third party, because I believe the reason is because of the speed at which registrations are coming through. I remember the registration I did yesterday. I reserved it yesterday, but because of the network, I couldn't register. When immediately I commenced it, I finished the registration, I submitted, it was approved. Within 1 second, it was approved. Once I fill in all the details that is necessary, it was approved. So you can imagine the speed that it will require for them to update that detail on their database. I believe the synchronization is still taking a while, right? Later on, when everything is properly done, we'll expect, speedy updates on the other third-party website. Please don't be angry with your customer. Is it customer? Don't be angry with your client, actually. They are trying their best, or we are trying our best. Those of us doing sales registration, we're trying our best to give you the best. So please don't be angry with the current issue that is currently going on. Right? I hope this video helps you. My name is Akinbola Ezekiel. Please share this video with someone who you are registering business for, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you and God bless you.